this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L1218 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. Then click Extract button. After that, you can open the resettle folder and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need to input the password on the TXT file here. After that, you can click Select to choose your model printer and select L1218 and you can click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button in here. Then choose Wash Ink Pad Counter and click OK. After that, you can tick Main Pad Counter option, Flatten Pad Counter option, and Ink System Pad Counter options. Then you can click Check button here. After that, you can click Initialize button. After the resetting is successfully, you can click Finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. In any case you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And you can try to repeat the resetting process. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson L1218 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.